Good morning mga ka-PS, mga professional security. Dito tayo ngayon. Pakita na natin yung yung last video natin in-upload ay nagbigay po tayo ng outline ng isang security investigation report. Ngayon po bigay natin yung laman, yung content ng investigation. Pero bago yan, shout out muna sa aking pinsan na palaging sumasabay-bay sa mga uploaded videos ko. Kay pinsan Alan sa kanyang Alan Vlogs. Sa mga kasamahan natin sa industriya na for the info o sa gustong matuto kung paano mag-arrange ng mga flowers sa mga malalaking event, pakicheck yung Alan Vlogs. Andon, marami kayong matutunan ng video kasi hindi lang siya locally flower arranger but he's also international flower arranger kasi galing ho siya ng ibang bansa. Kagaya din ng kanyang elder brother kay Manu Sani. At pakicheck lang sa kanilang mga YouTube vlogs, Sunny Astorio TV at saka Alan Vlogs. Meron kayong matutunan doon na mga magandang idea kung paano mag-decorate ng flowers, external, internal, sa mga big event like weddings, kahit anong mga okasyon. So pakicheck. At saka shout out na rin po sa aking classmates, yung sa batch ko na si Jared. Kabatch ko siya sa supervisory leadership training course. Kasi siya yung unang tao na nag-request na mag-upload pa ng mga informative videos related sa security industry. Okay, So papakita po natin ngayon ang yung laman ng investigation report. Okay? So tingnan natin. Okay, nandiyan yung makikita nyo 59 yung name of the agency, kunyari yung Professional Security TV for Mr. Pugi Sia, Regional Manager Kapugian Marketing, through Mr. Kapangitan o sila Manager Safety and Security Department. Subject investigation report regarding dun sa alleged an act of dishonesty, date July 1, 2021. Reference. Makita nyo sa reference, yan yung receive instructions or directives from the management to conduct security investigation regarding to the alleged act dishonesty committed by SG Ganda Lady. So maganda yung pangalan ng Lady Guard. So authority, inherent responsibilities as security agency inspector or investigator. Kapag kayo po ay isang deployed security, ay talagang ilagay nyo dyan, kayo ay deployed officer in charge. Okay, meron tayong matters investigated, facts of the case. Ayan, makita nyo sa picture. Okay, so dito sa facts of the case, babasahin natin pang slide lang, that on June 27, 2021 Sunday, si Ganda Lady Guard assigned at Kapugian Marketing detailed as a gate guard reported for her duty around 5:20 in the morning based on the record indicated in her daily punch card. So meron siyang time in and then but the latter leave her post around 12:27 a.m. without knowledge of an approval of her superior officer, but in her punch card with time out completed a whole day duty, having a time out 6:31 in the evening, even the fact that she is not performing her duty all day long. Attached mark as Annex A. Ito yung sinasabi natin doon sa previous video natin na annexes. Paragraph number 2, that during checking of her daily punch card, it shows and confirmed that there was a time indicated punch out around 6:30 in the evening. It means a complete 1 day of duty, despite the fact that she is no longer performing her duty when she left her post together with. So ito sa next page, ito, with SG Machu Paay went to Makapatong Beach Resort via single motorcycle driven by SG Machu Paay, while both of them are on duty due to no office operations. After 2 hours, when their pictures was seen in the Facebook account of Still Ganda Lady. So ito yung nakita o na-identify na kung saan sila pumunta. After 2 hours, when their pictures was seen in the Facebook of account of Still Lady Ganda, the place was identified as Makapatong Beach Resort. Doon sa paragraph number 3. Okay, doon sa paragraph number 3. Okay. That based on the information report gathered by the detachment commander is Nabalhot Tuglaki submitted to this office, narrated that he received cellular phone call from the incoming guard in the person of Steve Bagulbol, that he noticed the incident after checking their punch cards when the latter arrived for duty at around 17:50 Hotel. Okay, so meron tayong conclusive findings. Ito, that based on the facts of the information, Isigin Dilada committed an act which would be an offense with personal intent against the company rules and regulations, with the gravity level of serious or grave offense based on the fact that there was a record of time in and time out, despite the fact that she was not in her post of assignment. So conclusive number 2, that other factors to be considered as a serious offense, the mere fact that these two assigned guards abandoned in their post of assignment without proper approval, that the area will be exposing into risk and danger due to lack of manpower regardless of the day and mode of operations. So meron tayong conclusions dito. Number 1, after all circumstances has been gathered by the undersigned, it was found out that S.G. Ganda Lady performing an act clearly committed an act which defined the act of dishonesty stated under Article 001-2000 of the Agency Security Guard Handbook. Ito sa paragraph number 3 sa conclusion, that the wrongful act performed by these two security personnel is tantamount to loss of their trust and confidence as a security guard, which requires a good moral character as to basic requirement for private security guard under the provisions of Republic Act 547 and its implementing rules and regulation o IRR Rule 5 Section 2 Paragraph D. So klarong-klaro, meron din itong citation at saka yung sa next page, ito yung recommendation. Okay, so ayan na po, recommendation. Sana ho may nyo na, mabasa nyo lang ha. Okay, andyan naman po. So sa lahat po ng mga sumasubscribe sa akin, maraming salamat po. At sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe ay paki-subscribe na rin po, like and share sa ating mga videos na kung nagustuhan mo naman. Kasi tulong-tulong na din to sa mga kasamahan natin sa industriya. At maraming salamat sa lahat ng tao na sumusuporta, na nakasubscribe po ngayon sa channel ko. Maraming salamat po. Paki-share na lang po doon sa iba. Sana naman ay meron kayong natutunan sa kaunting knowledge na sinishare natin ngayon. Hindi naman po tayo eksperto, gaya ng ulit-ulit kong sinasabi, hindi naman po tayo eksperto. Ngunit tayo po ay nagsisikap pagbutihin at unawain lahat ng mga ginagawa nating videos para din sa mga kasamahan natin sa industriya. Kasi isa tong guide para sa kanila, lalong-lalo na itong ginawa nating sample ng investigation report sa security para sa mga security officers kasama natin at sa mga potential security officers na nasa field ngayon sa security guard, sa line guard, na marami naman tayong kasamahan dyan na college graduate at sa ngayon po ay nagsi-security guard. Sila yung mga potential na maging isang security officer in the future. At naway nagustuhan nyo po ang aking handog para sa inyo, sa mga kasamahan natin. Hindi ko na po masabi na yan yung pinakamaganda. Ngunit pinagsikapan ho natin. Maraming salamat po. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat.